to a new video. Today I'm gonna share what I eat in a day. It's like one of my favorite type of videos to see and watch. I feel I always get so much inspiration on like new little dishes and like meal combos and sauces and all of that. I, by the way, rolled straight out of bed and into the shower and I was like, we're just gonna start the video because I'm gonna make breakfast pretty soon. I woke up pretty hungry. I'm here for all the fall vibes. October, when like pumpkin season is kind of back. In LA it already starts in September and I'm like, no, it's like too early. I feel October is kind of the start that we can start using pumpkin spice, pumpkin lattes and all of that. So I'm gonna go to the store later today and grab some pumpkin puree. I was thinking making some pumpkin blondies this afternoon and I will share the recipe with you as well. For breakfast today, I am gonna make a big yogurt bowl. I don't know, I am such a savory girly, but for some reason I've been kind of on a yogurt bowl kick. So we're just gonna make one with some fresh fruits and things like that and have some breakfast together. So let's get prepping. What is it? It's whole milk Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt. Strauss is like one of the best brands because I feel it's the most familiar to kind of European yogurt. It has a little sourness to it and it's not so sweet. And then I'm also gonna add a little scoop of cottage cheese. I like the combo of it. It also bumps up a little bit of the protein. And then for fruits, I have some banana and I found a nectarine. I love nectarines. I feel they're like one of my favorite fruits. So we're just gonna pair them together and then add some like little toppings to it. And then one of my favorite toppings is this buckwheat kind of granola, but it's like almost a cereal. It's buckwheat, cassava, coconut oil, and sea salt. It is grain-free and it's not sugary at all, and it just gives such a good crunch. Like, I love this brand. And they also have one with some cinnamon and honey if you prefer a little sweet, but I usually take that for dessert, and then I do this one, the unsweetened, for breakfast. So let's add this on. Yum. We're also gonna add a little bit of almond butter for some healthy fats. Ta-da. Here we got breakfast. It's looking, I don't know if it looks good, but it is so delicious, you guys. We got some Greek yogurt, some cereal, some fruits. It's like literally the best. I love it. Hi, buddy. I'm gonna go. Hey, buddy. You want to be in the camera right there. Come sit. Sit. Now, you stay. Good boy. I'm gonna go for a little walk and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. So today I'm actually not working out, I'm taking a rest day, so I do always like to get a little walk in the morning to get a little bit of sunlight and a little bit of movement and stuff. So that is what we're gonna do now. Just made a little electrolyte drink with some of the pink lemonade water drop. I love these because they just have natural flavors and it's very subtle. It's like not too strong, so this will be my drink for the morning. It is 7 minutes past 1 I have been on calls all morning. I was pretty busy working. So I'm gonna make a super quick little lunch. I had some bagels. So you know what? Let's make some bagels with some cottage cheese. And then I got this like, I think it's like a dairy-free cream cheese. And it's actually funny because I do eat dairy, like cottage cheese, like Greek yogurt and stuff like that. But sometimes I prefer, for example, this cream cheese to do a vegan one because it's made with almonds. So it just adds slightly more protein rather than mainly like fat from a normal cream cheese. And I also really like this flavor. It's really, really good. I'm just gonna pop these in my little Wonder oven. Then my little trick to make them really nice and crispy is just to add a tiny bit of olive oil on it before you put it in a toaster. You can also do like coconut or something, but I really like olive oil and I just like rub it for each other. And we're gonna pop it in the oven. You guys, I love this so much. It is from Our Place and it basically is like a 6-in-1. So it has an air fry, a bake, a broil, a roast, a reheat, and a toast. So I'm just gonna like turn it on toast because we're gonna toast some bagels in here. It also has a steam function, so you can get some steam in there, make things like nice and moist and still kind of crispy. If you don't have a lot of cabinet space or counter space in your kitchen, like this is truly amazing because usually air fryers are so big and massive and kind of inconvenient. It also comes in like different color, but I really like this one because it kind of like matches with my kitchen. I changed so many of my appliances to the brand Our Place. I've been really leaning to a toxic-free home, toxic-free environment for myself and for my body. So I really want to make sure that cooking appliances that I use are also toxic-free because a lot of them have so many plastics and PFAS and all of that. Got my little tray, got the bagels. I'm gonna link the air fryer down below. I'm gonna give you a code. You can use the code down below here and get your discounts. Especially for the holidays, it also makes such a good gift. Lunch is ready. These look so good. They honestly look a little bit summery. I think it's because of the heirloom tomato. I feel you can also do this on just like a piece of sourdough or whatever. It doesn't have to be a bagel, but a bagel does make it extra good. Let's do a little taste test. I got a sesame one. The crunch. Honestly, the egg salad is also so amazing to do like as a meal prep. If you just have some like hard-boiled eggs in your fridge, sometimes I like to do that on a Sunday and just have it there, and then whenever I feel like hungry, to use this as a little snack or make it into a little egg salad or something, so you don't always have to like make eggs on a pan and like do the dishes and all of that. I feel this is like much easier and much quicker, but lunch is approved. So good. And then also on my eggs, I totally forgot, but I'm gonna add some of this everything seasoning because it honestly makes everything so much better. I also just put this on regular eggs, but let's put a lot of it. Yeah, so good. Okay, it is 4 p.m. right now. I wanted to make a little sweet treat, so I'm gonna make these fall pumpkin blondies. They are on the app. I have like one blondie recipe that I shared like years ago actually on the channel. It's like one of my favorite recipes. It's kind of like brownies without chocolate, but this time we're gonna make a pumpkin puree one, and I love that. I feel adding pumpkin puree, again, it's like bring that natural sweetness, that very like fall flavor, easy to digest. I love that seasonal baking. So I have all the ingredients here. It's honestly really easy. So we're gonna put that all together and bake in the oven for I think like 35 minutes or something. Should be really quick. Going off. The house smells so good. Ooh, okay, this looks so good. Okay, we're already like digged in, did a little taste test. They're really good. They definitely came out a little more flat than I expected. I also used a little bit of a bigger tray, so I'm just kind of wondering if that was it, but they are so good. Yum. I'm gonna make some dinner. These are the ingredients. I had some chicken teriyaki meal prepped and like marinated from yesterday, which really absorbs the flavor so nice. It's honestly really easy. I'll pop up the recipe here. It's like a ginger soy sauce, like garlic type of situation. Sweet potatoes. These Japanese sweet potatoes are my absolute favorite. They are so sweet and so delicious, and I even like them for breakfast. And then we're gonna do some carrots, and we're gonna make these in my little oven. I'm gonna put it on 400 for probably like 30 to 40 minutes, and then pop in the chicken and some of the carrots, and that will be dinner. So simple. And it is currently on air fry mode. Let's put 35 minutes. Here we go. Yum. Okay, we got the sweet potatoes are ready. So we're just probably gonna eat 2 of these, and then the rest I'm gonna meal prep. Just like test them out. Perfect. Got all my air fryer items. Chicken looks a little weird, but I'm sure it's gonna taste really good. I'm also gonna make a little salad with this dressing. It's a miso Caesar dressing from the brand Sanne. Got this at Whole Foods. It's super, super delicious, made with some avocado oil. So let's put it together. My bowl is ready. It looks pretty good. Honestly, it is so simple. Some sweet potato, chicken, some carrots, and then I had some of the salad dressing. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this actually. I love this because I can put it on everything. I'm also gonna add a little on the potato. Here we go. And dinner is ready. Frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt. Max and I just ordered some frozen yogurt. There's this place called Go Greek Yogurt, and they truly do the best frozen Greek yogurt. I think it's like really high quality Greek yogurt. I don't know. It's like not as sweet, but obviously still sweet, but it's so delicious and so creamy, and I cannot wait to eat this. I got some strawberry mango. Woo! It is so creamy. I swear to God, it came from real farm.
You know what's the best one?
Which one? I got for frozen yogurt. Literally the best. So good. If you're ever in LA or live in LA, go to Go Greek Yogurt. I got into it after my tooth surgery. The only thing I could eat at night was like frozen yogurt, and we probably tried like 5 different places, and this one was by far the best. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's what I eat in a day video. I will link some of the recipes down below as well, and I'll see you guys very soon.